Good morning. So we're on day, what are we, 4 now? Yep, day 4, last full day here. We are just making our way to the sports cafe for the breakfast, because that's on till 12 o'clock and the menu looks quite good. So it's nearly 12 o'clock now, but we're going to get there just before and enjoy a second breakfast. Say hi.
Hi.
You cold?
I'm frozen.
Yeah, it's really cold. Really, really cold. Drive home is going to be fun.
Hello, I'm coming about I have to go swimming because everywhere where it goes, please. I have to come back when I eat my dinner.
Finished?
Yeah.
If you ever need to blow anything up, any kiddie stuff, they have these. An inflation point, you literally just put it on here and blow it up. And you get stressed after you get cold, and you have to get stressed. So that's go come, and you have to come, and you have to show where you're going. Okay, bye. So we're on our way home now. It's been another successful trip at Center Parcs. I've enjoyed it. It's been different with the snow. Definitely added a different element to it. It's a beautiful place normally, but with the snow it's just even more picturesque. Yeah, some of the services were limited because the staff couldn't get in, etc. But I think overall they did a good job. They kept the place running. Yeah, it's somewhere I'd highly recommend people visit, especially if you have small children. It's good because you don't have to jump on a plane. You just pack the car up and yeah, depending how close you live, you can be there in a few hours. So yeah, I don't think, well, we definitely won't be able to come this time next year. We normally come this time every year because it's cheaper, because it's in school time. But with Callum starting school next year, or this year, we won't be able to do that next year. But we might come a little bit later in the year. We'll have to see. Sounds like someone's fed up already. So thank you so much for watching, and the next set of vlogs will be the start of the theme park ones, because it's now March, so things will start to open. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye, Callum.
Bye.
So see you next time.